stage our dear judges. Let us call on stage Mr. Lizario L. Kamukay, our public school district supervisor, as well as our dear adjudicators. Please be on stage to present the award. Once again, we are on the pre-judging category. Please be on stage as well is the Asinet Rizelo B. Pauline to hand over awards under the pre-judging category.
Once again, we are inviting Sir Pauline to please be here on stage to give the awards to our winners. Let's start first with the most disciplined cluster. Second runner-up goes to
Drum roll, please.
most disciplined cluster. Second runner-up goes to cluster number 4.
Cluster number 4 are the teachers from Nawistor Elementary School, Nawistor Elementary School, Escudete Integrated School, Atnay Elementary School, Pedrerong, and Sudes Elementary School. Requesting the school head or any representative from Cluster 4. Our second runner-up, most disciplined cluster. Once again, our second runner-up is cluster number 4. We will now proceed to the first runner-up under the most disciplined cluster. First runner-up goes to... First runner-up most disciplined cluster is cluster number 3.
From the teachers from Alpino Idigos Elementary School, Florentino Reyes Elementary School, Eric Villamar Senior Elementary School, Stockport Elementary, Lanica, and Isabella Niels Elementary School.
This one, ladies and gentlemen, the title, Most Disciplined Cluster for this year's Teachers Night goes to... Most Disciplined Cluster is cluster number... Most disciplined cluster is cluster number 6.
Requesting the school head of the clusters or any representative of the cluster.
Cluster number 6 are the schools coming from, or the teachers coming from Parma National High School. Day class.
Congratulations to the most disciplined cluster. Moving forward is for the pre-judging category.
For the pre-judging category, we will start with the second runner-up. Second runner-up for the pre-judging category is cluster number 5. Cluster number 5 are the teacher performers from Tandumo National High School, Kawasan National High School, Carmen National High School 9th class, and Lanipa National High School. Our second runner-up for the pre-judging category.
Moving forward is our first runner-up for the pre-judging category goes to cluster number 1
First runner-up is cluster number 1.
Teacher performers for Carmen Central, Natimala, and Coven East Elementary School.
At this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, we are on to the pre-judging category winner. The pre-judging category winner for this year is cluster number 6. Cluster number 6 is Garland National High School Day class.
Moving forward to our special awards. To begin with, we have Best in Costume. Best in Costume goes to cluster number 6 once again. Cluster number 6, Best in Costume.
That was Best in Costume still from cluster number 6. We will now proceed to Best in Musicality. Best in Musicality for this year's Teachers' Night goes to Best in Musicality still is cluster number 6.
Moving forward, Best in Concept and Theme goes to cluster number 6.
Moving on to Best in Props and Production Design. Mga higala, this year's Best in Props and Production Design goes to cluster number 6. Cluster number 6.
Moving forward, Best in Choreography. Best in Choreography goes to cluster number 6.
Of course, we will now have the Best in Choreographer. Best in Choreographer, or Best Choreographer is from cluster number. Guess what? Cluster number 6.
Congratulations! Now we have an award, cluster number 6. Moving forward for the mythical fantasy icon.
Mythical Fantasy Icon, second runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, Mythical Fantasy Icon, second runner-up goes to cluster number 5. Cluster number 5 is Captain Morgan. to
Number one.
cluster number
Number one.
number 6, Jezebel.
mga higala, ang pinaka-cool-bahinang, usa sa pinaka-cool-bahinang award for this evening. Give Miss the mythical fantasy icon grand winner is mythical fantasy icon goes to Encantadia! Those were the mythical icons representing Encantadia. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on to the major awards, starting with second runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Pinoy Fantasy World second runner-up goes to cluster number ato sa bitino ng inyong excitement, ladies and gentlemen. Ato sa ning i-reserve ang atuang major award. So at this point in time, we are still on to the giving of flag of recognition, flag of appreciation for our guests for tonight's event. Okay. So, pwede na ito i-change ang music. Sige. Ayaw sa mong paglakaw ha, kay wapa pa yan ang grand winner announcement. Okay. Ani apata sa giving of flag of appreciation to our guests of honor, starting with Board Member of the 5th District of Cebu Province, Honorable Michael Joseph T. Villamor.
Municipal Mayor, Municipality of Cornell, Honorable Carlo T. Villamor.
And of course, for gracing the occasion, the school's division superintendent of DepEd Cebu Province, Superintendent Sinen Priscilla P. Pauling.
Education Program Supervisor in Aralin Manlipunan, Rosemary N. Oliverio.
We also have here with us tonight the principal for Borbon Central Elementary School, Sir Edgar M. Tinapay.
Education Program Supervisor in LRMDS, Isaiah T. Wagas.